Welcome friends in this my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a problem related question, that is simple trick to reduce or for reducing our time in the solving problems. Here we are interested to learn that the which R value is used to solve a different problem. Friends, here I will give a simple trick to decide which R value is applicable in given problem. In that we know four R values are generally present and you know very well. One is 8.314, other one 0.0821, third one is 0.083 and fourth one is 1.987. In that four value, first we have to see three R values, how they are used and in which problem which R value is decided. Friends, first see this. R is equal to 8 point, yes, R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and second one value is R is equal to, yes, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin, and third one is R is equal to, that is 0.083 bar dm cube per mole per Kelvin. In our these three units, yes, the common thing is what? Mole per Kelvin is come in all our 3R units. Only the change is come, that is in first joule, in second liter atmosphere, and in third bar per dm cube. How decide this value of R? For that purpose I will give a simple trick. We know that ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? Yes, PV is equal to nRT. Here we are interested to calculate the value of R, that is universal gas constant, that is R is equal to PV upon N into T. We know N is nothing but, yes, number of moles and its value is come in mole, and T is nothing but temperature, its value must be in Kelvin. Okay, then see friends, in all N or in above values, N is present in mole, that is number of moles, and T is present in Kelvin. So the value of R is decided from the units of pressure and volume. Means here in all equation, number of moles for N and T is temperature, it is in Kelvin, but the value of R is different, that decided from the value of unit P and V. So see, for first, when P value is in Newton per meter square or it is in Pascal, and value of volume it is in meter cube, at that time we are using the value of R, it is nothing but 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Means when value of P it is in Newton per meter square or in Pascal, and volume having unit meter cube, at that time we are using R value is in 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, after this we will see next value of R, when the unit of pressure it is in atm, that is atmosphere, and unit of volume is in liter. At that time we are using the value of R is 0.02, that is 0.0821 atm per mole per Kelvin. Means value of P and V decided which R value is used in our problem. Then we will move towards next, that is third. Yes, when the value of pressure is in bar and value of or unit of volume is in dm cube, at that time we are using R value is 0.083 bar dm cube per mole per Kelvin. This is most important, that is explanation about value of R. After the completion of this, we will move towards next value, and means whenever the values are different than our previous, means other than the value, other than previous value, means first we will see for pressure, when pressure value is other than Newton per meter square or Pascal or atm or bar, at that time for that equation, when in our given problem the value of pressure is given in torr or centimeter of Hg or mm of Hg, then use the conversion factor, or at that time such value we are going to convert into 1 atm by using the following conversion factor. Okay, see friends, when 1 atm or it is unit of pressure, pressure is equal to 1 atm, then it is equal to 760 torr. Yes, 1 atm is equal to 760 torr, and which is also equal to 7 point or 76 centimeter of Hg, and which is also equal to 760 mm of Hg. Means these conversions are used when the value of pressure is given in torr, it will be converted into atm. When the value of given in centimeter of Hg, at that time it will be converted into atm. And when the value of mm of pressure is given in mm of Hg, at that time also you have to use the conversion it into atm. By using this conversion factor, we will get idea about R value. For that, I will give a simple example, that is when the value of pressure is 76 torr, at that time you have to calculate how many atms are present. Means we are going to convert the value of pressure in torr into atm. So we studied that what we know, 760 torr means 760 torr is equal to 1 atm, and they given us in our given problem 76 torr. We have to find out how many atm pressure is present. By taking only simply cross multiplication of that, we will get our answer. Means 76 torr is equal to, take this cross multiplication, 60, or that is 76 into 1 and divided by 760. Okay, we will get 0.1 atm is our answer. Means 76 torr is equal to 0.1 atm. Okay, this is about when pressure is other than our previous value, at that time it will be converted into, yes, which unit? atm. When volume value is other than the previous value, means it is other than meter cube or liter or dm cube, at that time we are using that this conversion factor. Yes, means when the value is given in ml or cubic centimeter or centimeter cube, at that time we are using this conversion factor. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to 3 liter, and which is also equal to 10 raised to 3 dm cube. Okay, and 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to 3 ml, and which is equal to 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter, which is also equal to 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. Means these are the very important factors by which we will convert volume term into different units. Okay, this is overall about our 3 conversion factors of or the values of R. And last one, that is fourth value of R we are using, that is R is equal to 1.987 calorie per mole per Kelvin when the value is given in 1 calorie. This energy related question when present, at that time we are using the value of R is 1.987. If in your question data is given in calorie or kilocalorie, at that time also this question, at that time also value of R is used, that is 1.987. And these conversion factors are also important. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule, and it is also 1 joule is equal to 1 divided by 4. That is 4.18 calorie. Only I sending this term on left side. We get 1 joule is equal to 1 divided by 4.18 calorie. This R value is not generally used in number of problem. Only this value is used when energy related question is present. Okay, for getting that much information, you will solve the problem which is present in NEET, JEE, CET very easily. When you are confused to use which R value in which problem. Okay, this is our explanation for R value. Thank you.